What's up? So I'm playing around today with this guy. Took the engine out of here, you know. Infiniti. So I'm putting the headers back on. Speedy little car. We already got started doing the engine. So yeah, hopefully running driving by the end of the day today. My whole single purpose is you moving strong, and that's forever till I rest with my dying breath. And everything I do, hey look, it's just for you. So I had to stop the video for a second. Look at this, brother. So you see that? See how black that is? Look at how this looks. It's just a lot of oil, yeah, sure, but look how black. So this gasket ended up breaking. Wow. So they never put that bolt there, so it never sealed. You know what I'm saying? So you see that? They never put that bolt. So it was all the time was an exhaust leak there, losing power. Look, it was leaking all around this area, you could tell.
Oh, that's why I'm losing the races.
That's why the engine locked up. Nah, that's not the reason. They never did an oil change. The oil was like syrup coming out of this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I'm down to the last 2 mounts and just rock and roll. So, yeah. This one that runs inside is completely different. Be careful. I like the way you shine. That diamond should be mine. You blow me out my mind. Shorty looks so good, I want that. If she bad, look how she funk that. Every time your girl is on it, I hope you sing my song. Ooh, girl, I think you're all right. I like the way you shine. That diamond should be mine. You blow me out my mind. Shorty looks so good, you know I want that. If she bad, look how she funk that. Every time your girl is on it, I hope you sing my song. Ooh, girl, I think you're all right. Shorty wanna ride 'cause I treat her like she worthy. Make her shine butter like magic did worthy. Growing up north, but I spit it like it's dirty. Took her out to eat, not much, just birdies. Couple chicken wings, low rice, low curry. I decided to chill, she decided it was real. We decided to dispel out this beer. Told you before, I'm a king like Tia. Beat it up, I spin the opposite out ear. Only in the bottom, she don't ever rock divas. It's Friday, no, she had them boots on there. In the club, but the girls going crazy to concede it. So she had a man, but he don't 'cause he cheated. Now a song 'cause I need it, you're a song 'cause I need it. And girl, she was never this treated. When it came home, girl, I might just eat it. Yo, sour patches, yo, sweet as fish. If I had to, girl, I'd pay for this. But I'll stay for this, 'cause I was made for this. Shorty sign, but I need some shade for this. Feel I gotta keep chips like lace for this. Don't go no L's, just chase for this. I'm going crazy for this. I like the way you shine. That diamond should be mine. You blow me out my mind. Shorty looks so good, you know I want that. If she bad, look how she felt that. Every gin here real is on it. I hope you sing my song. Ooh, girl, I think you're all right. I like the way you shine. That diamond should be mine. You blow me out my mind. Shorty looks so good, you know I want that. If she bad, look how she flaunt that. Every